Hi, and welcome to the ICA community. This video is going to demonstrate how claimants and attorneys can submit web forms to the ICA. So in addition to the web forms that are available on the ICA community, there are also specific forms that are available to claimants and attorneys once they log into the community. So I'm going to go ahead and select the login button. My user and password is saved, so I'm just going to select login. Based on your profile of being a claimant or an attorney, specific web forms are available to you. So many of them are available, the same ones that are on the public site are also available to you, like the workers' report of injury, the request for hearing, all the way to the request petition to reopen. But then there are also additional web forms here, like a prior's claim request, change of address, claim for dependent benefits, the guardian forms, as well as the 2 questionnaires for loss of earnings and petition for rearrangement. In order to demonstrate a web form, I'm going to show you guys the prior's claim request. As a note, some of the web forms require electronic signature and some do not. So you'll want to make sure upon submittal of the document, you read the next page to see if you are required to go to your email and sign the document. Any forms that require signature need to be signed within 7 days in order to be a valid submittal to the ICA. So for the prior claim request, I'm going to go ahead and enter in the required fields. Those are all of the fields that are marked in red. So I'm going to use my test claimant name here. You do need to provide information for one of their claims. So there's a date of injury. The date of birth is 12/4/1968. Social Security number is very helpful for the ICA in order to search for prior claims. Because this is a demo, I'm going to go ahead and put NA. I'm going to select the employer as well as the ICA claim number. Oh, and it's right there for me. You can also enter in the carrier claim number if you have it. And then we just need some information from you as the requester. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my information there. Because I have filled in other forms, all of mine are saved in cookies. The first time you go through, you will need to enter all this information in. The second time, based on your browser configuration, you may have it all saved there. You can also submit a background document if you need to this prior request. So you would go ahead, submit the appropriate doc type, navigate to the document on your workstation, and go ahead and upload that. There is a note here on the prior request that there is a $5 fee to research claims prior to 1990. So please do mail a check-in if that is required, and this is the information for you. So here it says that I agree that I am just signing it by selecting I agree and that I'm not a robot. Once all the required fields are selected and those 2 checkboxes are complete, you can go ahead and submit the document. So here, because it just says thank you for your submission, I know that I do not need to sign a document. That prior's request has now been submitted to the ICA and will be presented to the correct work group for them to process that prior's request. For all web forms that are submitted to the ICA, whether they're signed electronically or not, you will get an email containing a PDF of that document that you submitted. So if I go ahead and select this email, it says your document has been successfully submitted, and the ICA has attached a PDF copy in this email. So here's the copy that you can go ahead and save or download that document and serve it to any other interested party that you need to. So that is how you submit a document to the ICA from a web form. Hope you have a great day.